Oh, Canada. So, good evening guys, no? So, update lang. Meron kaming darating na bisita ngayon anong oras na ba? Alas 11 na.
Hello guys! Oh,
Excited na yung isa, oh.
Twitch the video!
Ano? I can't wish.
I see you later!
Yeah. So yun, hinihintay na namin yung text guys, no, para mababa kami. Wala pa naman. Bababa na kami doon sa kasi yung parking nga. Kailangan ng papel.
Bas.
Dito na kami guys, hinihintay namin si Tita Yanti. Kailangan mo namin kasing pilapan tong papel. Visitors parking permit. Tapos pasok kami doon sa kung saan magpaparada yung sasakyan. Sabi 5 minutes na lang kanina, siguro malapit na yun. Excited na tong isa eh.
Maybe.
Too many zippers. Too many zippers.
Too much.
Okay, wait. You can't look yet. Because I have something special in here for you. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Wait a minute. I'm stuck.
You're stuck. Your hand is stuck. Okay, Mama. Okay, can I open my eyes?
Not
What
yet.
is it?
Wait, what is that?
Close
The
your
top
eyes.
is blue and this.
That's my shirt.
Your shirt. I can see it.
Look at all this. Oh, for Nana.
Cheetos.
Mama.
All right, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close.
Wow.
Okay, I have. I can. Queen.
Nice na po.
Okay, so Kevin, you have to sort all these into piles like Tico Matt did.
Oh, that's a fact. You did a bug.
You're welcome, Kevin. That's our main 15.
Oh my goodness.
Lot of gummy bears.
As well.
Pretzels. Oh, more crunchy Cheetos for Nana.
I have to say thank you to Tita Jean as well, because this is from her too.
Thank you, Tito Jane. Tito Jane?
Eternal cars are coming.
Go.
Chuck is vlogging.
Hindi oh. This one oh.
I just
Small dia.
It's a Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper.
Mini Cooper. Okay, you have to sit in the back.
Tigisa kayo dyan. Dito na kami guys, pupunta kami ng Costco muna. So maraming kaming pupuntahan ngayon. So unang-una Costco muna kami pupunta. So yun. Costco gaming muna, tapos pupunta kaming Walmart ata. Tapos titingnan natin mamaya kung saan pa tayo pupunta. Kain muna tayo.
Chocolate ones doesn't
Okay.
fall.
Mhm.
Plummet, plummet, plummet. Go Lions, Lions. Look.
Oh, it's raining.
It is raining.
Are you okay, princess?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now look, I'm a bunny and princess.
Oh, ulan. Ulan guys, ulan.
We need to find a cart.
Grabe guys, daming tao. Hindi ko akalain na ganito karaming tao. Sabado ngayon. So halos pala lahat ng tao nag-grocery. So nasa Costco kami ngayon. So yun, ang daming tao.
But
That's one.
someone wins. Someone gets to do the.
This is what I use. Either this. I use
Or
Tide. It
that.
doesn't matter. They're all good. Dane is good. Tide is good. You want strawberry? And you're sure you don't like mine?
Ito. Panipuri. Ang pagkain to para siyang ano guys pinaputok na ano. Kaming kape guys.
We need to find another.
What?
Trash can. Let's see another sample. 3 samples ahead. I think I'm frozen salmon.
I want to eat one.
You are just too silly. Do you want to sit down on
Lumabot.
this? Like a stool?
Free bulgogi guys. Free test.
That she's eating Korean.
Yun. Tell Tita Jane.
It's a bulgogi.
Bulgogi.
Tell Tita Jane what you're eating. What's that?
Bulgogi.
So dito na kami sa ano guys, Walmart naman. Galing na kami doon sa ano, Costco. Daming tao doon. So Walmart kami guys. Costco, ang daming tao. Hirap pag ano. Dito. May mga bibili na kami sa Walmart. Are you cold? Soccer ball?
Oh, that, age is 13 and up. Do they have a rule? Oh, you want the pink? Of course you want that one. Okay, put it in. Softball.
That's what.
No, that one is
Softball.
softball.
They have adult softball leagues, you know.
Now
All right.
can I try?
I think you're just a little too big
No, it's
for your
not.
hand.
Yeah,
That's what I used to do to Tito and Mark all the time.
yeah.
See, look. See, that's what you're going to be able to do. Okay. All right. Coffee cups up
Doon.
for this. Cup.
Dito. Bumili kami ng filter ng ano guys. Filter ng tubig para sa tap water na kami inom. Kasi may ano siya, may sinasala siya. So umiinom naman ako guys, direkta sa ano. Pero yun nga, medyo delikado kasi. Pero hindi naman ako nag ano, sakitan tiyan. Pero mas maganda na to ganito para safe talaga. Tsaka hindi na kami bili ng tubig kasi ano, mabigat. Ito siya. Oh, happy birthday. Tapos itong filter guys. Ito yung pizza niya.
7 is 7.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't find the
Can find 7?
Yeah. Who's David?
Kung saan po mo ba hinahanap? Oh, tubig kami. Yung... Hey, Zion!
Zion, it's orange.
That's Zion. Oh, tapos na kaming mamili sa Walmart guys. Pupunta naman kami sa Best Buy. So may bibilhin lang din doon. Yan yung pinabili namin. Yun, nakabili naman ng razor. Kakalbo na tayo, pwede na. Hindi na tayo magpapagupit. Mahal ang pagupit. Mahal ang pagupit dito guys, $20. So, razor lang. Sa 44. Oh, yan na, kalbo-kalbo na lang. Agi na lang kalbo tulad sa barko. Agi naman kalbo doon. Yun. So, pupunta kaming Best Buy ngayon. Yan.
Well, it's berry. It's berry. No.
Yan na. Yan na guys. Pause na, ilagay na natin.
Oh, yes.
Ayun. Sit.
Si Tita na kang.
Sara na yun. Matik yun. Nado, diba? So, uy, kami yung payong.
Nandito.
Yeah.
All right. Did you guess yet?
Medyo gay. Last stop, Best Buy. Ayun na kaming Costco. Tapos pumunta kaming Walmart. Tapos ngayon Best Buy naman. Ayun na. Look at that bike. Look at that bike. It's M109R. Good bike. So ang sadya namin dito guys ay bumili ng TV. Bili kami ng TV dito sa Best Buy. Kasi wala pang TV sa bahay. So yun. Television. Yeah, Signia. Ito yung Signia. 40 inches. Meron pa ditong bahay guys, oh. Yeah. Bike. Electric bike. See? Malaki to. Malaki guys. Ito lang baby. This one. Yeah. 40p.
320 na lang.
Nakabili na kami guys, 43 inches na TV. O TCL, maganda.
Laki naman. Bathroom? Okay, where did I put
It
it?
is a book. Look at that, Evan.
It is a book. It's a story.
Who did that?
So yun guys, no. Meron tayong wall na pangkupit natin. So pangkupit natin yan guys, oh. Kalbo na tayo. Mga sunod na linggo, kakalbo tayo. Kompleto siya, meron siyang pangkupit, meron siyang dyan, tatlo. Ito yung laman. So, meron pa siyang ano, mirror, oh. May mirror. Set talaga, may pang ano ng gupit. What is this? Ito na yung ano. Yun. Maliit. Tapos yun, ito yung mas maliit. Ano ng box siguro to. Ito. So set na panggupit talaga. May suklay din, may gunting din. Oh, ang ganda. So ito yung mga ano niya guys. Oh. Ang daming bala. May pang ano pa. Saksakan. Ito. Suklay oh. Dalawa. Linis. Gunting. Tapos ito na yung pinaka ano. Yun. Yun guys. Ganda. Ano na siya? D-wire. May itong mas maganda yung D-wire kasi nga matagal masira to. Kaysa no automatic ay yung ano. Walang ano. Wire yung chargeable. Pero yun. Maganda to. The best to. Pabalik na natin. So isang set talaga siya guys na panggupit. Pero ang gagawin lang naman natin is kalbo. Pero yun, may magamit sa suklay, gunting, saka mga bala yung ano niya, adjustan niya. So yun. Thank you, Tita Yanti.